All right, Kyle, where are we at?
So currently we just got to the field. What we're going to do today is go out and take some final stand counts and some kernel counting and kind of some overall last season observations. Throughout the day today we'll be visiting a couple more cornfields, kind of doing the same thing, so stay tuned and we'll take you on our adventure. So we just got done. We went through the field, did our stand counts, and when I do stand counts, I'm looking for harvestable ears. Then we came back out, we did some kernel counting, and one of the other things that I do is we evaluate the ear, right? So we're looking at the ear structure, how it developed, if there's any differences, how the kernels filled out the ear. All this stuff will get recorded, and then it gets put into our database and added to our data that we've collected throughout the whole season so far. Well, wrapping up our trip up here to North Dakota. Spent the day with Chad. It was great to get to spend the day with him. He's been doing trials with us for 4 years. Yesterday we had 3 different visits focusing on corn. It was a good trip.